look at this.
And I love pizza. This is
Wow.
the greatest food.
Downtown is improving now, right, honey?
Yeah, they have to.
Look at that. It's nice now. I like this building, huh? Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god, there's too many. Oh my god, guys. They're so cute. Wow. Hi there. Hi. Uh-oh. Oh. I don't have food. I'm sorry. Hi there. Hi. Hi. Sorry, I didn't have food. The twin there. Oh my god, he's enjoying the grass. Wow. That is so cute. Hi. Oh, shiki shiki. Okay.
You wanna come?
Yep. Hi, honey.
Hi, Han.
Alright, so we are here at the Cherry Blossoms Park. So we'll see. We're gonna go on this path because I don't want to go right there. So we'll see what's going on. Alright. My background. Look at behind me. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. Take the one home. No. I know. I wish we could take the flowers, get home, put in our vase, right, honey? It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go. I think it's gonna be. It looks like it's gonna be busy in here, so we need to go somewhere. We had enough in here. Alright guys, so I'm out of here. So I'm here now on the top of this building. I don't know what is this called, but they have tables in here that you can sit, hang out in here and see the view from the top of this building. So as you can see, down is, those are the where I park in there. And this is the beautiful views. As you can see. Right there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go on the other side. We're here now at Bayfront. Look at this very beautiful trees, guys. So I met my friends, and you guys been together like how long time, right? That was nice. 2 years, right? Wow. And we're in village and married soon.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to